What's up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with yet again another video. All right, now today I want to simply talk to you guys about collections and why they should not be on your credit report at all. We'll get into that a little later, so definitely pull up your credit report, see if you have any collections on there, and then we'll be going through that today. I wasn't going to drop a video today, but I forgot that I have a giveaway to give today, right? So check under the phone number in my description. You'll see exactly who's the winner of the giveaway, okay? A lot of you all are hitting me up about that play from yesterday, so I'm helping a lot of you guys out. So I wasn't even going to drop today because I'm super busy, but it's all good. It's all good. While I do, of course, I'm going to just drop some value. You know what I mean? I can't just come on here and be talking about nothing. I got to give y'all some game. You feel me? So like always, man, like, comment, subscribe. Definitely share this video to any friends, family, man, you think that can, benefit from the video or any of my videos. Anybody should be able to have value from it. So definitely just go ahead and share it, man. Help me out, help the channel out as much as possible. All right. Now, like I said, today I want to talk about collections and why they are illegal. Okay. Now, first thing I want to do is I want you to understand exactly what a collection is. Okay. So collections are things that are on your credit report that they weren't able to collect the actual money for, okay? So let me run you guys down this process on actually how someone goes about dealing with collections, with selling debt and things like that, okay? So let's say I'm gonna use Capital One for example, okay? Let's say you have matter of fact, no, I'm gonna use a medical bill, okay? Now, we all know that medical bills are illegal and they should not be on your credit report just alone from a HIPAA violation, okay? HIPAA basically means that you cannot put any information that is private or confidential information, which is all of your information, on a consumer report, okay? Or a credit report, whatever you guys know about. All right, that's a HIPAA violation because in order for them to put that on the credit report, they were to have to transfer information coming from you that you didn't give them authorization to transfer to, especially not to the credit bureaus. Okay, there's a certain process that anyone needs to do in order for something to be on your credit, guys. All right, they can't just put things on your credit. I mean, they can because they do, but that's not how it's supposed to go, and that's not what's supposed to happen. All right. So let's say, for example, you got a medical debt on your credit profile, okay? And this goes for any collection, all right? So now what happens is a collection is on your account because someone 9 times out of 10 has sold that debt to another company. Because in order for it to go into collections, then that means you already had the 30 days, 60 day, the 90 day, 120 day, right? You done passed all of that, okay? Now it's past the charge off status because they like, listen, I cannot get the money. All right. So it goes into collections. And what happens is someone else comes and buy that debt. Okay. So this is why it's illegal, guys. We got to think and we have to ask ourselves, okay, when someone has a collection or a company places something in collection, okay, what they're actually doing is they're actually selling your debt. All right. So they're selling your debt to a completely other party who actually buys debt. Okay. So why that's an issue is because when you place a debt in collections, or when a company places a debt in collections, they're actually getting paid for that because placing a debt that they cannot get funds from is literally a write-off. Okay. So if I have a company and I'm trying to get the money for this debt, all right, I'm going to throw it in collections because I cannot get the money from the debt. So because I can't get the money from the debt, they're actually going to pay my company because it's a write-off because I wasn't able to do it. Not only that, they also sell the debt and then allow someone else to try to collect on the debt. And that's usually why they're trying to collect on the debt for pennies on the dollar, because they sold it for, who knows, it just depends on how much the debt was. But that is completely illegal, guys. You cannot, okay, sell someone's information in debt, because if I'm giving somebody else a debt that doesn't belong to me, then I have to give them the information too. So I got the information illegally, and they also got the information illegally, okay? Not only did I get the information illegally, but also they're actually writing the debt off, meaning that they're going to get paid for the debt, okay? And then they are actually going to try to collect on the debt as well. Do y'all catch that? Do y'all catch my drift? So they're double dipping at its finest, guys. They're getting money all across the board. And some debt collectors still try to collect on the debt after they've sold the debt and after they've written the debt off and got the money for the debt. Okay? This is why it's illegal. This is why debt collectors call you and try to make you seem so much or so terrible of a person and things like that, because they have to manipulate you in order for you to get a feeling that you have to pay them back. The whole time they got the information illegally. They're getting paid as much as they can off of the debt. And that is not how things supposed to go, guys. So anytime you have a collection on your credit report or your consumer report, understand that someone is trying to illegally collect debt. On top of that, whoever that company is, you can actually look up that company on the as far as their information, and you can see if they're even eligible to collect a debt at all from you, because there's a lot of companies out here who have been banned from collecting debt due to illegal practices, right? Because it's very hard to run a company like that without doing illegal activity, because how are you getting this information if nobody authorized you to get it? All right. I know we use these words loosely and we think that this is just the way it's supposed to go, but guys, it's really not. It's really not. All right. So I just wanted to drop that gem for you also. If you have any collections on your credit report, go ahead and get it off, because that is completely illegal. Okay. It's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with another video, guys. And like I said, comment below collections if you have collections on your credit profile, and also check under the description, under the phone number. That is the winner for this week. You were under all of my videos consistently, sometimes multiple times. Okay, remember, these giveaways are going to whoever is under most of my videos or all of my videos, or whoever just locked in and in tune with me. All right. Also, be looking forward to a lot of different content coming up. And let me know, as always, what you guys want to learn, what you guys want to know, because I try to stick to what I know, but I know so much, I honestly don't even think too hard about what I should make. So give me some ideas, give me some things that you all are going through, and who knows, I'll probably make a video about it, because I'm sure I know about it or know someone who had to deal with it. So we're going to go over it together and figure out just the best way to get out of your situation. All right, it's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with another video. I'm out.